All right, it's February 20th, and this is the daily summary for the Rogue Trader Zigdao Bitcoin options fund. I didn't make a video yesterday. I got tired and had to deal with some home stuff. But we're just sitting tight right now. We didn't do a lot today. It's interesting. We had some. So the U.S. opened up today. Bitcoin shot up to about 53,000, and then boom, right back down to the bottom of its range late last night. I couldn't sleep last night. It wicked down here down to, just above 51,000. Moving around. I heard that this has to do more uh, with the Israeli Lebanon thing causing this. I don't know if that's actually true or not. I don't have the news feed here. And the FOMC was today. I don't guess that wouldn't have come out yet. I had some earnings, Nvidia earnings today too. I haven't taken a look at the TradFi markets. I've just come back home. But basically, we're sitting pretty good. We wanted to make sure we had extra coverage. So we were delta neutral this morning, but just slight negative. But that means we're actually positive because we have the underlying asset. We want to be long. We want to be long because on these pullbacks, we want to probably sell risk or buy risk reversals, which is selling puts and using the proceeds to buy calls. But you can see the nearest term. So this Friday, we've got the 23rd. We've got some short positions going out. 48,000 puts, 56,000 calls. So we've got a big wide margin there right now. I got kids coughing here. March 1st, the following Friday. Well, we got a few puts. I believe we were disbalanced here. I can't remember. We added some. We balanced it out. I think we sold a put in order to have three on each side. Again, we've got a bit of space right now. I mean, that can obviously change very fast, but right now it's looking pretty comfortable. Eighth, same thing. These 56s, if market decides to go, they'll be put under pressure. Toot sweet. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But we've got lots of time. End of March, uh, same thing. 49,000 is getting pretty close. 56 pretty close. We've got time. This market could go sideways for the next week or two. Sorry, just banged my mic there. So you know what? There wasn't a lot to do. Our theta, $62 a day. I think this morning, when the price was a bit higher, it was a little bit lower, but it was still in the 50s, high 50s. Our Vega still a little higher than we'd like it, but it was 90, 91 this morning, down to 89. So, we're working on that. And yeah, this morning we sold the put. So we took, if you remember yesterday, no, if you watch our live stream, we were bringing some risk forward, right? We stored some risk out a few months and we bring it forward when we can, when it makes sense. And then we try and make that up quickly. And that's what we also did this morning. So everything's looking pretty good. I think we're pretty happy with it. I mean, USD, we're still down a bit as far as US dollars are concerned. We've got a ton of intrinsic on the books. So I think we're quite happy. We want to be long. We generally are of the mind that Bitcoin's going to keep appreciating in value generally because the ETF inflows and there's not a lot of selling pressure happening. I'm sure there's going to be little bursts here and there on the way up, but that's trading. So we'll take advantage of those pullbacks and we'll generally try and stay long. I gotta go take care of a coughing kid, and we will see you tomorrow.
Hey, and thanks for watching our daily summary video. For those of you who want to learn more, I would invite you to come and watch the full videos. These full videos are where Richard and I sit down every day, sometimes multiple times per day. We discuss the market, the metrics, our account, everything you can possibly imagine, and we execute the trades in real time. You get to see it all. Where else could you see professional fund traders do this in an account specifically set up for you, the viewer, to learn all the tips and tactics we've learned over the last 50 years combined? Now, This is for silver members and above. If you go to roguetrader.academy, silver members and above get access to this live stream every day, as well as the recordings. On top of that, there's a weekly Ask Me Anything call. And as the name implies, you can ask us anything. Plus, you get access to all of our courses. We put out a new course every 3 or 4 months approximately. Plus, you get access to our interactive live alerts Telegram channel. And this is a Telegram channel where we're putting our trades in real time as we make them, but it's interactive. That's what makes it different. So you can ask us questions. We will chat back and forth during the day with all of our members. It's super, super incredible value. So do yourself a favor, head over to roguetrader.academy, join up, and we'll see you soon.